Inti businessmen for no he said omo de bogus law bi omo de ba say omo betwa use cars any parts any one year. So they met me at Tema. I'm going to how. Yeah, was so I'm here no kureni. Mami more honorable chairman Sabu Swabaso. He did well. Enya me any honorable chairman sa. And Gombe implemented our law no.
2012 cars and the work.
And I mean on by and bisa question say. Anya bi man ko school and no akiri. Asin dumpim LA middle school. Enti America Ford brand new no mo ye no. Mo patch there say yenton use car ho yenton scraps ho ana. Why do you give us a condition? Say before I set up this company manufacturing just we use cars what's stop. Look at the number of people who go magazine. Look at the number of people who go aboso kan. You going to collapse their business? My question is, some brand new cars, first, per capita income of every Ghanaian. A man ain't me afford a brand new car. What you say? And compulsory, everybody should buy a brand new car. That is not the approach. They may catch honorable chairman as a leader. One more. Who to me say Alan, finance minister. One anybody responsible. Oma you see in co-position if you implement this law. Leader, if we allow parliament to pass this, we are finished. In fact, I'll catch them say beginning, Nenka or support. But we CD depreciation, the amount of CDs are also the Kotosaka he disagrees. That is how come we suspended it. So they see Japan as somebody who knows their problem and who is ready to solve their problems for them. That is why the businessmen are all rooting for me.
Agriculture,
my brother. I feel the 5 northern regions should have about 50% of all agro industries in the country. The nature of the land, the way it's here flat. And yes, sir, maybe quite I'm catching say, Namotiamu Kurasasi way, Usi Yanko Pompuas and Yam. What granity name Yam? Because this land, what we can do. Then the desert is Ukraine, we are rice. What is wrong with this? Black people. I'm going to use 5 northern regions to feed the whole Africa. Agriclture for and he talks big. I do things big.
Yeah.
And that's the only way we can move this country. In your marketing, handout. Let's use Afram Plains, Accra Plains, and 5 northern regions to feed Africa. Let's challenge ourselves. I know because South Africa na usha farms efekeke. Na no me ba call no akogina ayino from say eish me wo farms bi mu wa ha Kronstadt say me call baby your friend Kronstadt enyuma say farms pa amu catch Ghana for Ghana catch them say a broiler 365 days. Anytime be a upe bro be a South Africa. That is what we have to do. Yeah, ukosroa your share butter. Yet you Emma abrofu and the best is a share butter. Ghana for ne sisa nom dia koguo. Omo e package na abrofu na befa. Are we down? And Mr. Kwame Owusu, me campaign manager, ne bank. And contain keke and contain and no dia millionaire wakofa frafrafo abegu and cran we beer factory every week one you cry 3 4 40 containers 40-footer containers eko Amazon.
Whoa.
Yes, Kwame Owusu amene na moya ne ba correct owie University of Pennsylvania Ivy League school law school oba Ghana ha behwa wo baby another papa te no vice president Aliu Mahama come to me so baby now hwe de wo mo wini kente na ogino say ami sad ye we eno na Amazon opese opass onioma ekoye here so let me and why is kenitam otiase so we need men and women with vision. And your brofuna makan no and the interest rate mo your interest rate and the interest rate is 54%. Agroni from let's build industries. Let's promote Ghanaian businesses. Instead of undermining Ghanaian businesses, let's promote them. Yeah? Every country in the world is the entrepreneurs who creates jobs.
Okay. Net omokoto ye.
Yeah.
Epum.
Efimpa. Enam omuchi ye no he. Ade omuchi ye no epum. Efimpa.
Sakumo no potamo.
You know, and you know frefre mo. What do you hear? Me nitro. My research. You know, na minim what is good for Ghana, and that is why my yes say wenko and Tinubu is my turn to make a difference in this country. It's my turn to make a difference, and I'll turn this country around within 2 years for you to see. With patriotism, honesty, and discipline, who need IMFO? Now, president and head of state be me SOMPA me isune a champion.
Yes.
Pragmatism.
Yes.
I say wala tu wala sa nipa ba kwe wuti ase. On say enne ya ofiri hoyi. Ghana won koti gata no ma no mo tu agu esoro no. Ensuo to ya na sa akogu.
I say wa tu na wasa.
A champion say utu edigu ansa fa firi ho. Wara tu na wara sa. Yes. Yes. And we corny, no. Wara tu wara sa nipa baako. So, operation feed yourself. Oba ase dump ma eme she trousers no ma she shorts ka ho obi akurante kan na bus si yo. No mo kofu akwadwuma. State farms. And then na say nneema we nyina. Yentimi am build it on it. I'm gonna say, let us start again. So agro-processing. Ya ton cocoa. Cocoa. And then in nyinara. Cocoa just cause syndication. And san woman is kabe. How? How no such them and the more kasa cocoa na maton mun niska. Mo be tua akuafo ka. Na mo timi store cocoa no for higher price. Na da bia mo ma abrofi detect how much they will buy your cocoa.